So it's just all dry rotted inside there. Doing a quick video on it. How about all the screws on the side of the wall too? All the way down.
Well, this was all caused from water intrusion because whether it came through the screws, I wanted it came through here.
Yeah.
See,
it was barely catching on.
Barely catching right there.
Yep. So it's kind of like false sense, even though they had the molding on here so big and wide. I can see all the rust spots and the water drainage here running down. And then it just absorbed. Yeah, there was even nothing.
Yeah,
there was nothing on the back side of that, Terry.
Here's these.
Yeah, see those?
Those are rusted out.
Yeah, those are gone. See,
all these heads are rusted.
Yeah, you can see clearly like the rust here, and then the water line ran down through the insert molding, got into the back wall, and just unknown ate it, chewed it all up. I'm gonna go catch and see what year this guy is. So it's a Keystone, Montana, and I'd say, hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist, but I'm a little bit late on that. And can't make out none of that info. It's a goner. Terry, did you have your paperwork to know what year this thing was? Says it's a 20th anniversary edition of Montana, and it's a 3120 RL 4 season. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. So basically what Terry's going to try to do, because the gentleman doesn't want to go ahead and replace the back wall, because it could be just a can of worms.
The only option there is, somebody already tried to come through with these.
Yep.
And only cut that rotted wood.
Yep.
Okay. Only other option, take this all the way into that.
Yeah, go all the way through.
Into the aluminum.
Hopefully, you know what?
Because he doesn't want to pull the wall and fix it.
You might want to take and put an L bracket on that if you can get to it, just in case. Is that aluminum or steel?
That's aluminum.
Yeah, just in case. I mean, what happens if you screw into it and then it breaks the...
All his stuff has been rotted and swelling, and it's pulling his J-wrap down.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see where the holes don't even line up anymore either.
I mean, they don't want to...
Yeah, so, all right, well...
Temporary fix for now.
Stay tuned for more, but like I said, it's a Band-Aid. And to do it right, you'd have to tear the whole wall apart and get into the sidewall as well. So, all right, so Dustin and Terry, RV Specialists. Thanks so much for watching.